Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our ZL54C Smartwatch or the ZL54C Smartwatch. And this time we are going to check on the menus and features of this new, affordable, minimally sporty smartwatch. Okay, but before we check on the menus and features, let's have a look of the design of this new smartwatch, the ZL54C Smartwatch or the ZL54C Smartwatch. Okay, so it has a PC material. We do have a heart rate sensor, a single power button here, circular button, and we do have a beautiful 1.83 inch TFT LCD with a 240 by 284 pixel resolution. So if you have any questions regarding this unboxing, especially on the menus and features of the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, we are ready now, so let's check on the menus and features of the ZL54C Smartwatch or the ZL54C Smartwatch. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a TFT LCD screen here, and it is preloaded with several watch faces. Okay, so beautiful screen display. On top, we do have the quick access to the settings. On the bottom part, we have the notification functions. Okay, on the right side, we do have the cards. Okay, so let's check again. So you can add here. So for example, the Bluetooth call. You can add the weather. Okay, set another one. You can also add the notification function here. Okay, as well as the heart rate. Okay, on the left side, we do have the different menus and features of the smartwatch. Okay, so we have it here, the different menus. Okay, let's check if we do have a multiple menu option. Okay, we do have phone reset, Bluetooth, display. Okay, so let's check one by one. So this is for the time. Okay, do have it for the Bluetooth call. You have the heart rate. So this is for the overall activity tracking. We do have the sleep monitoring. We do have a blood pressure, blood oxygen. So this is for the sports. We have walking, running, cycling, skipping rope, badminton, basketball, football, swimming. Oh, we have a swimming. We have climbing, tennis, rugby, golf, yoga, fitness, dancing. So it has a comprehensive list of sports here. We have popular sports. Okay, so every sport that you use often, it will appear here. Okay, so most big sports function that you use, I think. We have the water sports here. Okay, we have outdoor activities. We have trainings. We also have dance, combat sports. A very comprehensive list of sports here. We do have a ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports. What's this? Okay, archery, darts, tug of war. Nice. Okay, then we have this one. Okay, exercise records. Every time that you do some exercise or fitness, you can see the record there. This is for the weather, for the notifications, Okay, relaxation, monitoring. So this is for the remote shutter camera, music control. What's this? AI support, timer, alarm, stopwatch. So cycle tracking. This is for the female physiological monitoring. We have calculator, find phone. We also have the games. How many games do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has a lot of games so far. Okay, going back. So what else? Let's check. Calculator, games, and we have the settings here. Display, watch face. Okay, we have the menu view here. Okay, reach your wrist. We do have the watch face and we have the brightness. Menu view. So grid. Okay, that is what we are using. Parallel. I'm looking for the list. Surface, crescent, full moon, helm, honeycomb, list, view. This is what I want. Okay, let's see if this thing works. No, it's not working. So just power on and power off button. So relaxation, AI voice, alarm, stopwatch. Okay, let's check again. So we have vibration ring, audio, Bluetooth, do not disturb mode. We have a low power mode, power on, phone reset. Okay, we have power off here. We have about version ZL54C. Okay, do I have the app download? So it is using Dafit Support App. Okay, it's using the Dafit application. What else do we have here? So settings, display. We do have the brightness option. We do have the sleep. Is it automatic? Okay, so it will detect after 10 sec. Okay, this, I think this is for the power screen off. Okay, backlight, menu view. Again, let's check other options here. This one. Okay, nice. Look, so looks fancy for this one. Okay, so different style of menu options. Okay, so with names and icons. I like this one. Seems like I like this one much better than the list menu. Okay, so let's check other menu styles here. Crescent, full moon. Okay, okay, this one is also good. Swipe from left to right. Okay, so for the sports, let's check. We already checked the sports, but we will check if what are the actions that it monitors. Where's the sports? Come on, where's the sports? Home. There you are. Okay, walking, running. So let's check. 3, 2, 1, go. So it checks for the time, steps, calories, heart rate, distance, and pace. Okay, stop. Okay, so that's it for the menus and features of the ZL54C Smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, especially on this video, the menus and features, the review of menus and features, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Bye.